Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Old Turtle. I know I normally do cycling stuff or weight loss stuff, but considering everything that's going on, the past few videos have been a little different, and this one is too. This one I'm going to show you how to safely clean your cell phone screen. Apple has been saying for years, don't use alcohol on your cell phone screens, and there's a good reason for that. Rubbing alcohol has acetate in it. Acetate is, well, it's a form of acid, and it's just nasty stuff, and you definitely don't want that on your screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up a solution of Everclear and vodka, and these are the only two things you need. Why? Well, you don't want to put just Everclear on it. Everclear, again, is 190 proof, 95% alcohol. You don't want to put just vodka on it because vodka is only 40% alcohol, and to kill bacteria and germs, you need at least 60%. So I'm going to mix these up to be the equivalent of 60%. Which is approximately a little more than 50%, about 55 to 60% Everclear, and the remaining, you want the vodka. Now, as I mentioned before, a lot of people use vodka to kill bacteria, and even though it's not recommended, it does work. If you were to spray your clothes with vodka, like the clothes that can't be dry cleaned or washed on a regular basis, it would get rid of the odor. And the reason it's getting rid of the odor is because it's killing the bacteria on your clothes. However, for viruses, you need something a little more potent. And for a lot of other bacteria as well. Just to be safe, to make sure you get everything, you need it to be more potent. You need it to be at least 60%. 70% is better. You don't want to go much higher than that because then you risk, you risk damaging your skin and other problems. So, you mix those together. You don't even really have to do a mix. And you pour it in a little spray bottle. I already have some poured. I'm going to top it off because I've been using it. Now you have a solution that is more than 60% alcohol, but it's not dangerous to your skin, or not overly. I mean, if you use too much of it, it'll crack your skin. But I've been using stuff like this for years on my phones, and I've never had a problem with it. You just spray it on your phone, and now that almost every phone out there is water resistant, it's not going to be an issue. You can spray it on the back of your phone, even your camera lens, and I have not seen it damage it at all. I can't guarantee your phone won't be damaged or your lens won't be damaged, but it shouldn't be. Because, I mean, this is a Galaxy S8, and I've never had an issue with it. Pretty much everything on this phone is dead, including my social life. But, in all honesty, all our social life should be dead right about now, because you should be at home. I mean, if you want to go out and run, walk, ride your bike, you'll be safe. Just stay, keep your distance from anyone else, and just be safe. Use common sense. If you're one of those morons at the beach or in Central Park, surrounded by all those other people, and you think, oh, it's a nice sunny day, nothing can go wrong, you're an idiot. Don't do that. Go home. We don't need you out in society. Not now, and not after this clears up. Go home, lock your doors, and stay there. Take out for the rest of your life. Internet troll, whatever you need to do, just don't come bother us. That being said, this stuff works. The hand sanitizer that I've made works. I actually have several bottles of it now. It all works really, really well. With the hand sanitizer, you can add a little bit of this and you're fine. It smells a lot better. But that's about it. So like, follow, share, and subscribe, and keep yourself and your phones clean. Have a great day. Bye.
Cold fever, the cellular germ, straight tangle, the chemical burn.